Apple snails can offer several benefits in an aquarium tank. 1. Algae control. They are known to consume algae, helping to keep the tank clean and reducing the need for additional algae control methods. 2. Detritus cleanup. Apple snails feed on detritus, uneaten food, and decaying plant matter, which helps maintain water quality and reduces waste buildup. 3. Aesthetic appeal. With their unique appearance and colors, apple snails can enhance the visual interest of an aquarium. 4. Biological diversity. Introducing apple snails can increase the biodiversity of the tank, providing a more balanced ecosystem. 5. Educational value. They can be interesting for observation and studying their behavior, particularly their feeding habits and interactions with other tank inhabitants. 6. Oxygenation. As they forage and move around, apple snails can help stir up the substrate, which can improve oxygen exchange in the substrate layer.
Hit like and follow to my page. Kindly join to my group para mas matuto, mamangha at magkaroon ng maraming kaalaman about sa fishes at sama-sama tayong magustuhan ang pag-aalaga ng isda.